Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. Smudge came up and he never comes up anymore, so I thought we'd better let him do what he wants to do. I have a couple of mystery bundles from Fabfitfun. They are the refill mystery bundles. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't. Usually everybody gets the same thing. So I haven't watched anybody open theirs. These are the refills. So when you customize your box, you can choose refills. And these are $19.99. And they are valued, they're supposed to be valued at least $70. And there's 3 items in there usually. Whereas the regular mystery bundle is now $39.99. Value of over $100 and 3 to 4 items. So, and also they say with the $19.99 refill, just like they say with the other mystery bundles, that every 25th bag is going to be a very valuable bag. So they may say an amount, but I can see inside my bags, and since I'm not doing this, against anyone, because if you got the refills, you probably got the same bag. If you got 1, you're going to get one of these bags. If you got 2, you may have got something different, but I don't think they have a big selection of these bags. So I've already priced them out. So let's see what I have. Here's a quick peek at that one. There are 3 items in this one, and they do have this nice bag, but a lot of times you can't open them. Smudge left, and Camille is right here. That's why Smudge left. I am going to just cut this open. Hey, 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 don't be chewing on that, girl, or we'll electrocute everybody here. Ay, 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 ay. All right, in this bundle, there are 3 items. One is very, very heavy. I think I'm gonna like it. I honestly think I already saw this bag because I was watching somebody open their full Fabfitfun, and then they started opening the bag, and let me get out. So this bag has some nice things. I'm really happy with this. This is Fenty Beauty, and this is Fenty Beauty is by Rihanna. This is the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm, and it's in Cocoa Drizzle. So let's see what that looks like. It's a little smashed, the package, but the inside, this is, I have one of these in a different color. So if that's what the color is, I'm not going to open it. I have one that's more of a pink tone to it, and it is a lip balm as opposed to a lipstick. It gives you a little bit of color, and it moistens your lips. So I'm not going to open this right now, but this is valued at $20. So this is very nice. And I may put that in a giveaway because of the color. I just have too many things. It's like a bronze, it'll be light though, but it's a nice topper too. The other one that I have opened already, you can top things with. So that is very nice. Fenty Beauty's, nice. All right, next we have this. And y'all, I actually got this in my Fabfitfun. I believe I chose it in, was it spring? I think it might have been spring. This is the Chic and Tonic 3-piece silicone baking set. So I am not going to open this because I'm using the one that I got, and I did bring over to show you. It comes with a silicone mat to go, it fits a cookie sheet really nicely, and then it has 2 spatulas. And if you remember this, I think it was from spring. It's white. This is all silicone now, has fur all over it. I'll have to wash it to put it back in the drawer. It's white, and then it has these, looks like sprinkles on a cake inside. Of course, you don't feel that. So this is the small spatula, and there's also a larger spatula, and then the silicone mat for the for your cookie cookie pan. It's a great set. I really like it, and I do use it. And that is valued at $40 for this set. What you doing there? She's moving the camera for me with her paw. Did you see her paw on the screen? I don't know. But anyway, that's what that is. So that will make a very nice gift for Christmas time, or for friend mail, or a giveaway. So, because I already have it. Although, I don't know about y'all, but I can never have enough spatulas. So I'm happy about that. And then the last item, For the love of kittens, y'all. This big giant kitten, okay. And then this super heavy thing. Like I said, I have seen this before. I think Wendy Jean opened this. Anybody that I mentioned, I'll put in the description below. Go see her. She's got a great channel. She's getting close to 1,000, y'all. So this is super heavy. It is Lourdes Seraphine La Pietra number 14 fig leaf and cedar scented candle. Look at this packaging. How stunning is this, y'all? I mean, right here, if you need a quick gift, you're running out the door and you're behind, throw a bow on here and you've got a great hostess gift. Someone has invited you for Christmas or Thanksgiving. Isn't that beautiful? And it's super heavy. It is 17 ounces. They have this in 2 sizes. This candle is valued at $48. Let's look at it. Oh, look at how nice it opens, y'all. Oh, it smells wonderful. The scent started coming out at me. Oh, wow, it has a lid. It has a lid. And that is protected nicely with some cardboard. Oh, is this pretty, y'all? It's so heavy. This is beautiful. Look at that. So it looks like the box. It's a ceramic. And there's the information on the bottom about it. Now that does come off if you want to take that off. It just tells you a little bit about it, the product and what's in it and all, in case it were to become separated from the box. And then this isn't that beautiful? So once you're done with this candle, you can use this for many things. Or just, you know, you want to have it not be as strong if you're not burning it and you want to cover it up. It smells really good. It says that it is a warm day in the Mediterranean with the fragrance of sun-ripened figs filling the soft air, infused with essential oils and featuring notes of fig leaf, cedar wood, and fig sap. Number 14 is a warming yet fresh surprise. So that's called number 14. It's really nice. And that is a stunning gift. That will make a stunning gift. And it's in there really nice. It sets in cardboard as well as the lid setting in the cardboard. Beautiful. Okay, so that bag is supposed to have a value of at least $70, and this bag has a value of $108. Now, I paid $19.99 for this bag. I think that was well worth it. The 3-piece silicone set, baking set, the gorgeous candle, and the Fenty Lippy. I mean, I got, you know, these right here are wonderful. For me, these are probably going to be Christmas gifts. So, you know, to me, I've spent $10 each gift, and then I got a bonus Lippy. So, okay, that's my first bag. Second bag. Again, $19.99 in the refill section. This is a quick glance at it, and let's see what I've got. I'm going to cut it open. It's already been chewed all over by Smudge. You know, he chews the plastic. Hey, Camille, did you want to say hello to everybody? This also has 3 items in it, which is what is suspected or expected. And this one has, let's see what we got. Okay, no bottoms in the screen. We have this Sensuals brand. Sensuals is a really nice brand. This is a facial serum restorative, 100% natural. Okay, there it is. It's beautiful. It's a nice brown glass bottle, and it's a dropper bottle. And it is very tiny writing. If I can find my magnifying glass, and Camille would behave. Made with rosehip, grapeseed, and evening primrose oils to replenish and repair. So it's a nice serum. There's more to it, but I won't go into all that, or we'll be here a long time. But that's beautiful, and that is very valuable. This is a $50 item. It's Sensuals, S-C-E-N-T. I'm sure y'all have seen that brand before in boxes. I know I have. It's an expensive brand, $50. And then we have, this is from the company BAN.DO. So Bando with the period in there. We see this in Fab Fit Fun often with planners and different types of paper products. And this is not paper, this is a coffee mug. It says, what are you knocking down over there? It says thermal mug, hot stuff thermal mug. Look how cute that is. It is sort of stuck in the, so it is, there's the brand name if you can see it. It's hard to see because it's like a salmon on this color on white. And then it says, but first, coffee. And it is a nice lid that opens this way. Let's see, it's one of these. There we go. It opens that way, so when you close it, it has that silicone there. It'll snap close and keep your beverage hot or cold. And there's the care instructions are on the inside, which is nice. Tells you how to take care of it. And there it is. Does it tell me the size of it? I'm not sure what size that is. It might tell on the card. Designed in Los Angeles. All right, does it say 16? Do not microwave. Okay, now this is funny because I looked up the price of this, and when I looked up the price, it was $23. But on this tag, it says that it's $15. So that throws off my balance of what the whole bag is worth. But okay, but yeah, it says $15 right there. So that's what we'll go with. But it's a nice thermal tumbler. I think you call this a tumbler, right? And it's super cute, but first coffee. So again, you can use hot or you can use it for cold also. And then our last product is fabulous. This is Luxie. Luxie brand Bronze and Glow set. So this is, you know, Luxie is probably it's a lot of people's favorite brush. It's in this bag very nicely. I'm gonna try to be quiet about opening it because you know it's that cellophane, so it's crunchy. Let's see. I don't ever use bronzer, y'all. So this says it's a, let me see if you can see it. Bronze and Glow set, handcrafted premium synthetic brushes. So the brush set includes the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered, the 504 Large Angled, the 513 Cream Highlight, and the 660 Precision Foundation. And then also a Precision and a Detail Blender. So it's wrapped beautifully. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna take this off and give you a quick look. I'm not gonna take it out because I already have a lot of Luxie brushes and I'm very happy with them. So this is what's in here. This is one of those where the white is higher than the dark in there. And beautiful set there. And then you have some blending brushes. And this, y'all, is valued at $75. So this bag is valued at $140. I thought it was $148, but we'll take the $8 off for the Bando cup. So it is $140. So this must be one of those 1 in 25 bags that's going to be, you know, more valuable. That's what I would say. And this is gorgeous. And this, I'll tell you, is definitely, you'll see it in the future, either in a giveaway or friend mail. I'm going to carefully put it back in here. So I spent $20 on these 2 bags, and I've got $16.5. My total value is $256, and I have wonderful gifts here. So this last bag has, what was in this last bag now? We have the Sensual Serum, and we have the Cute Cup, and we have the Luxie brushes. So now this would be a fantastic, I would love to give this to a friend as a Christmas gift or a birthday gift, but none of my friends use these kinds of things. So, or not, I shouldn't say none, maybe a couple do, but this $75 value, that is so nice. And I paid $40 for the whole thing, 20 of each bag. So I really got my money's worth. $256 value, y'all. So thanks for stopping by to see what I got in my refill mystery bundles from FabFitFun. Thank you all so much and count your blessings. Bye-bye.